I'm not a conspiracy guy. They tell me I am. But,
yeah, you is a little bit.
But
give us that. Slap us with it.
This is my thing. He signed it. He had an insurance policy written up 2 months before he died.
Well, I don't know about that. We had done insurance companies when Dre was still there. Lords of London. I remember that because they had to take blood. So I'm like, well, who's? I didn't know nothing about beneficiary. Who gets the money? They were like $1 million policies on me, on Dre. I'm quite sure Eric had a couple of million. Somebody had them policies.
What was the discussion for? Like, why did you guys get it? What made it happen then? Like,
it just was, we're going to get some insurance on your hands and this and that. They cover stuff like that. And I remember we went there, drew the blood, and they had got insurance policies.
Right.
Of course, it wasn't Eric's idea. It was the other guy's idea, I'm quite sure. And I can imagine who got the money from if they kept the policy up all that time.
Right.
I'm quite sure they did.
Well,
I'm sure they
that
did.
sounds like the, obviously, I don't know. This is pure speculation, but that does sound.
Man in the middle.
Yeah, it sounds like the type of situation where some of the athletes will do insurance like when they're in college. So if they go pro and they're playing football or something, they break their leg, they can't play.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah, my
so
son had that insurance.
So if Dre broke his arm, he couldn't produce or something.
That's what they got us on.
Yeah, yeah.
It was body parts or whatever.
Yeah.
But there was $1 million policy back
You didn't know
in
who
them days.
well, I guess the record company would be the beneficiary.
Well, yeah.
Which
well,
is-
Or the manager.
Yeah. And it still
it
goes
should
on.
be the person and the record
It should have
company.
been
It should have been both.
us or my family or his family.
To me, that's
Absolutely.
a conflict of interest because the thing is, sometimes the artist is more valuable dead than he is alive. If you figure if you got a dude's catalog, right?
Yeah.
An artist is going to eventually leave somebody anyway. I don't care how tight y'all is or whatever.
Yeah.
Every situation is going to one day come to an end in the recording business because this guy's going to get big one day and he's going to see in his head, it don't make no sense to give you 30, 40% no more. I need that. I'm further along in my career, so I'm going about my business. Think about it if you missed a record company, man, you got an insurance, man, well, shit.
Oh, yeah.
This motherfucker died, I get $1 million and I got a whole motherfucker reels of his ass back there. As soon as we put out, oh man, such MCs do wrong is gone. Go put this album out and let's go triple platinum. We go get all the money.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's a cold business. It's more colder than the streets. The streets ain't that cold.
Man.
You the second artist that came up there and said that cocaine was just up here a week ago. He said, man, being in the rap game is like being in the dope game.
Man, it is. It's treacherous.
Yeah,
Niggas want to kill you and shit. Niggas want to take your spot and whatever, and haters, and and it's just the hustle game, man.
Pinocchio, we gon' tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Gangsta Chronicles, this is not your average show.